Please subscribe to Mr. Tech YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications of our new videos. Hey guys, I'm here for Mr. Tech. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to quickly convert your web page image file to JPG without using any software in Windows 10. In this video we will learn this guys. So for this guys, for example, I have one web page image file format. Just I'm going to show you now. As you can see guys, so this web page image file I want to convert quickly in JPG file. So for this guys, just right click on your image file like this and go to open with, and here you want to open your web page image file on your Microsoft Paint like this. After opening guys, you can see on the top left side files option, just click on it, and here you want to go on save as option, and here you can get this type of format to save your image file. So for example, I want to save my web page image file to JPG format. Just I am selecting JPG like this and give your file name and just click on save. Very simple guys. Click on OK and close it. So this is the easy and quick method to change your web page image file format to JPG file format in Windows PC, so without using any software. So that's it for today guys. Actually this video I am making for my subscriber. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubt related to this video, you can clear your doubts in the comment section below.